Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching monumental learning. This is the activity setup. So let's set this up. So you are going to need a massive supply of Legos. Now, it doesn't have to be just the bricks. You want kind of a mix of a lot of different Lego pieces and parts, but you want a pretty big supply of those ready. You're also going to want a Lego base that you'll be giving to each team. Now, you don't necessarily have to have a Lego base. They could use like something like a whiteboard or something that is a harder surface, but it is helpful if you have those Lego bases because they're going to already kind of start to want to build on those. And then you're going to be dividing your class into teams with about 5 to 6 players in each team. So teams are going to begin with 0 Legos. They're going to start just with that Lego base, but no Legos. So teams are going to have the opportunity to earn them by the handful each time they reach a new quality control checkpoint. Basically, you're going to fire up the first part of the slideshow for your students, which is kind of going to go through and let students know that they're going to be building this epic monument, and they're going to be needing building supplies of Legos, and they're going to start to talk about how they're going to be earning those Lego bricks. So make sure you stick around for the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.